Good morning. It is Monday and it is 8 o'clock. We just cleaned up Old Blue, rolled her out, hooked up the trailer to the silver truck. We're getting ready to go pick up something for the combine. We decided that we had a longer break than anticipated, so that's always nice. So we're headed up to Blackfoot, Idaho to grab something for that combine. You guys will find out when we get there. Got it all set up, ready to go. This is Willie's truck. Built the transmission in it. He put it in himself and now it doesn't shift, so we're here figuring out why. Things got like 320,000 miles. Automatic 7.3 non-intercooled power stroke. It's a 97 for those Ford boys out there. Good morning. I'm gonna try to shut the door while holding a camera as well. Okay, we're going for that line. Now this one, there you have it. Got the trailer all hooked up. Extra oil, extra coolant. All the lights work. For those of you that don't know, this is like a 9-hour trip. All for that thing. All for that thing. Our new to us 2388 Case IH axial flow combine. You guys will get a real good look at that combine this upcoming summer, because I'm excited to run it. Believe me. As you saw in the time-lapse video, I was using this New Holland 8670 to move my truck around, and when I push it out, there's kind of a hump here you can't see in the video, and it's hard to get it over that by just pushing it, so I had to grab the tractor. So I've had a problem with blow-by and coming out of the dipstick and just covering everything, so don't mind the mess. This is kind of like version 1, 3rd gen swap, 12 valve, whatever. Right now, I'm having a hard time getting the heater to crank out good heat. Usually it does that when the coolant is a little bit low. Right, it's about 11 o'clock. We are ready to roll out. Truck is fueled up. Got some Maverick. And we are ready to get out of here. On our way to Idaho. Idaho.